Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders. Steve here at Logic FX Trading, and welcome to another one of my little trading room tips, I think we're calling these. Anyway, today's the 6th of June 2018. You can see it down there in the left hand corner of the video, and the purpose of today's video is to go back and look at something that I recorded on the 27th of October 2017, and it was my analysis using Elliott wave theory of what I thought price would do over the coming 2, 3, 4 months. And then what we'll do is we'll swing forward. In fact, it's nearly 9 months now actually we've been running this for, and then what we'll do is we'll have a look at exactly what's happened up until today, the 6th of June 2018, and compare what I said would happen compared to what actually happened. Okay guys, in a moment we'll get a little swing over which will take us back to the 27th of October, and you'll see it in the bottom left hand corner. Okay, so what we said a few weeks ago was that this looked like a 1, a 2, probably a 2, possibly a 2 to there, and then a 3, and we were going to get some sort of 4th wave here, and then we'll get a 5th wave which may or may not be truncated and could come down to here before we get a larger B wave back up. We're looking for a short trade. So let's see what this does. I've put a chart on there. Let's see if we can see it. And we have an ABC coming up there. I've drawn it to there because we may get some sort of ending diagonal before it breaks down. But the important thing is that we're looking for the breakdown. And when it breaks, it should come at least to the bottom of our 3rd wave and should push on down. Okay guys, so here we're on the recoil, the replay function of trading view here, and we've taken it back to that point that we were looking at on the 27th of October, October 26th, 30th, 27th. That's exactly the 27th of October. You can see it down there, guys. And there we have our full move down. 1, 2. We looked at it again. It's a 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. So, before we run this, let's open up. I took a snapshot of that where we were. There's a snapshot. Hopefully you can see that. Let's try and make it a bit bigger. That's a snapshot of what we're looking at now. At the time, there we are. This is 27th of October. And that is what I had said. I said this is going to finish, this 4th wave. It's going to break down. It may stop there, but possibly we'll go deeper, and then we'll get a pullback. So that's where we were. Let's now watch to see, and we'll leave this in the corner. Let's watch and see what actually happened. We'll run this. And here we go. This is, each of these candles is 1 day, guys. Let's get that back up. This is the start of our 5th wave. The 5th wave's dropped on down. It's pulled back. That's the bottom of the 5th wave. Now we're down here, guys, and now it's pulling up and up and up and up and up, and this is where we are at the minute. That's exactly from that point down to that point. Let's zoom it in a little bit so we can see it all. Bring that picture back up. That is exactly, there's the bottom of the 4th where that white line would, or that purple line would have been. Let's draw that in. Let's draw it in the way I said. I said it would come down. Oops, sorry, that's my other work there, guys. Oh, sorry, I can't do that without bringing that in. I didn't want to bring all that in. Suppose now we're there, we can bring it all in. But that would represent the bottom of the 4th, which was where I drew that straight line. That's that blue line. I said that it may stop there, but more likelihood it'll push on down through. May stop there, more likelihood it'll push on down through. And then we would get a pullback. And then we would get a pullback. The only difference between the way I drew it and the way it was is that naturally there's going to be a bit of a bottoming ceremony going on down here before we start to get our pullback. It needs to rest a little while and then it goes. So it rested for a little while and then it went. Where's it come back up into? It's come actually up just to there at the moment, and now we're getting another pullback. And what we're expecting now, let's just move this out of the way. What we're expecting now is for this to pull back perhaps down to there before going long again, and that's going to be our 3, which will connect that with the next wave down, guys, giving us a complete A wave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what we don't know is how deep down that will come. We don't even know if that bit will happen yet, guys, because we're only just there. But what I've just showed you is that over a 9-month period from there to there, I've got my analysis completely right based on Elliott wave theory, guys. This isn't because I'm a genius. This is because I know my Elliott wave theory inside out. Okay, guys, I hope that helps you understand a little bit about Elliott wave and how effective it is. That's the important thing. And of course, if you want to learn it, I am open to training you. And I also have a daily trading room where you can see this in minutia on a day-by-day basis of how we trade this, guys. Remember, there's a big difference between knowing it and trading it. This is only 50% of the battle. But you know what? If you believe in your analysis, and you've just proven it there, you believe in your analysis, that was easy to trade, that was hard to trade, because corrections are hard to trade, guys. That was easy to trade. This at the moment's proving hard to trade. But once we get moving again, you'll find it very, very easy to trade. Okay, guys, that'll do for today for our little trading room tip. I hope you find this helpful. Bye for now.